Everyone thinks the best-selling blades for Honda lawn mowers are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you'll see that some options just don't cut it. Let's dig into the top blades that actually deliver performance, not just promises. Product number 1, Honda HRX 217 Tune-Up Kit. The Honda HRX 217 series tune-up kit caught my attention right away with its comprehensive approach to mower maintenance. Priced at $50.50, it's not the cheapest option out there, but if you want everything you need to keep your mower running smoothly, this is worth a serious look. What makes this kit special? First off, it includes genuine parts like the upper and lower blades designed specifically for Honda HRX 217 models, ensuring you get optimal cutting performance. The kit also has an air filter to maintain engine performance and a quart of 10W30 engine oil for lubrication. Plus, there's a spark plug to make sure your mower starts reliably, which is crucial when you're ready to tackle your lawn. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having everything bundled means you save time and avoid the hassle of sourcing individual parts. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to buying parts separately. Here's the thing though, if you value convenience and want to ensure all parts are compatible, this kit is a no-brainer. You're investing in peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you own a Honda HRX 217 and want a hassle-free maintenance solution. Skip this one if you're looking for individual parts or have a different mower brand. For the price, you're getting genuine Honda quality that's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more budget-friendly blade option. Product number 2, Grasscool Mulching Blades. Next up, we have the Grasscool HRR 2169 VKA Mulching Blades. Priced at $38.88, these blades offer a great compromise between quality and cost. If you're looking for a solid mulching performance, this is worth a serious look. These blades are designed for various Honda models, including the HRR 216 and HRX 217. They're made for mulching, which means they finely chop grass clippings, returning nutrients to your lawn while keeping it looking clean. The 2.6-inch cutting width also ensures efficient performance. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 230 reviews, many users have noted the impressive cut quality and durability. Here's why this matters for you. Better mulching means less time spent cleaning up clippings and a healthier lawn overall. Now, some users mentioned that they had to remove paint from the blades before installation, which was a bit frustrating. But here's the thing, this paint is there to prevent rust during shipping, and it comes off pretty quickly once you start mowing. It's not a deal breaker for most, but if you're in a rush, it might slow you down for a moment. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers excellent mulching performance. Skip this one if you need a blade specifically for bagging clippings. For the price, it's a solid investment in lawn care. Now, if that previous product's installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, Honda HRN 216 Tune-Up Kit. The Honda HRN 216 Lawn Mower Tune-Up Kit is up next, priced at $59.25. At first glance, it might seem a bit pricey, but if you want comprehensive maintenance for your HRN 216 series, this is worth a serious look. What's included in this kit? This means you're getting everything you need for a full tune-up in one box. This integrated approach ensures your mower runs smoothly and efficiently, which is super important for keeping your lawn looking pristine. With a 4.8-star rating from 217 reviews, users really appreciate the convenience and quality of these original parts. Here's why this matters for you. Maintaining your mower with genuine parts will prolong its life and keep it performing at its best. Now, some users have pointed out that the kit includes parts they might not need right away, making it feel a bit overkill. But honestly, if you want to keep your mower in top shape, having these parts on hand saves you from scrambling at the last minute. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one maintenance solution for your Honda HRN 216. Skip this one if you just need blades, as you'll be paying for extras you might not need. For the price, you're getting the reliability of genuine Honda parts. Alright, that was a fantastic choice. But if you're looking for something a little simpler, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Fismiuta High Lift Blades. Next is the Fismiuta High Lift Mulching Blades, priced at $36.99. These blades really caught my eye for their heavy-duty construction and efficient design. If you want serious performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These blades are specially designed for Honda HRR 216 and HRX 217 series mowers, making them a perfect fit for your machine. The twin blade system creates a high lift, which helps achieve a cleaner cut while also enhancing mulching effectiveness. The heavy-duty steel construction means these blades are built to last, resisting wear and maintaining a sharp edge longer than typical blades. With a 4.8-star rating from 40 reviews, buyers rave about their durability and performance. Here's why this matters for you. Strong blades mean less frequent replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. Now, some buyers mention that they found installation a bit tricky, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, once you get them on, the results are so worth it that it's a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a tough, reliable blade for your Honda mower that delivers great mulching performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a super easy installation process. For the price, you're getting a solid value with performance that stands out. Now, if you're interested in a genuine OEM option, let's take a look at the final product. Product number 5, Honda Genuine OEM Blade Set. Finally, we have the Honda Genuine OEM Blade Set, priced at $41. This option is great if you want the peace of mind that comes with using original parts. If you want optimal cutting performance, this is worth a serious look. This blade set is designed specifically for the HRN 216 series, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable cutting. The set includes both upper and lower blades, which are engineered to Honda's strict standards for balance and efficiency. With a rating of 4.8 stars from 74 reviews, customers have consistently praised their cutting performance and durability. Here's why this matters for you. Using OEM parts helps maintain your mower's warranty and ensures you're getting the best possible cut every time. Now, some users did express concerns about the price being higher than aftermarket options. But here's the thing, when it comes to your lawn mower, using genuine parts can really make a difference in performance and longevity. This is perfect for you if you want the reliability of genuine Honda parts for your HRN 216. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for cheaper alternatives. For the price, you're investing in quality that pays off in performance. So to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 top blades for Honda lawn mowers. From the comprehensive Honda HRX 217 tune-up kit to the budget-friendly grass-cool mulching blades, each option brings something unique to the table. The Honda HRN 216 tune-up kit offers a complete maintenance solution, while the Fismiuta High Lift blades deliver serious performance. Finally, the genuine OEM blade set ensures you get the best cut with reliable parts. Whatever your needs, there's a blade here that's right for you.